Hello, third grade. So this is for Tuesday, April 28th, 2020. I'm going to go over your science review sheet 6, which is chapters 9 through 12, as you can see here. I'm going to go ahead and go over the answers with you because I don't think we would be able to go over all of them in class, Zoom class today. Unfortunately, I really miss doing that with you guys and a whole bunch of other things I missed. So let's just go ahead and get to it. You're not supposed to be filling this out with me all the way. Try to fill these out on your own. And these are corrections, okay? So these are me giving you the answers to correct the work that you've already done. All right, so that is the goal. All right, the topsoil, that is quite hard to read. So let's try a darker green. The topsoil is the top layer of soil, which is dark and rich in minerals. The layer, number 2, the layer of soil below the topsoil is called the subsoil. These are not too hard. Just memorize them. If plants grow well, number 3, we say the soil is fertile. Sorry, it's not on the line completely. There we go. All right, number 4, blank returns to the soil. Blank returns to the soil the minerals that the plants took out. So that is fertilizer. Okay, let me adjust that, fertilizer. Number 5, blank blank is the loss of soil by water or wind. That would be soil erosion. Okay. Number 6, is the earthworm helpful to the farmer? Oh yes. If you want good soil, want to be a good farmer. Okay. Number 7, is the mole helpful to the farmer? N-O, no. Is the shrew helpful to the farmer? Yes. Is the skunk helpful to the farmer? Yes. Actually, is number 10, is the field mouse helpful to the farmer? No, they eat so much of what the farmer needs. Okay. 11, the blank is the condition of the air, the weather. Let me adjust that. Sorry, my throat. Okay, number 12, the blank is the layer of air that surrounds the earth. So here we would have atmosphere. Oops. Atmosphere, okay? We need to protect our atmosphere by being good to our earth. Okay. 13, list 3 things which cause weather. Draw a line from each cause to the term which best describes it. So here on the right side is the cause. All right. What are the 3 things that cause weather? We have heat, water, and wind. Okay, that didn't work out like I thought it would. So I'm going to start a new text box, wind. Okay. All right, which one causes heat? What's the hottest thing in our universe? Comes mostly from the sun. Oh, that's purple. All right, what causes the water to create the weather? Tell me something about the water, and that is it covers almost 3/4 of the Earth's surface. So because there's so much water, it affects our weather so much. And our wind, moving air. Boom, boom, boom. Good. Define absorb. Think of a sponge to soak up. Okay. The next one is define radiant. To give off. Radiate. Okay. We need to radiate what? Jesus. Okay. All right. Number 16, define evaporate. The word vapor in there would help you out. It says to change into a vapor, and that is dealing with water. Okay. To change into a vapor. Think of the word vapor inside evaporate. Okay. All right, next. 17, when water evaporates, it is called, super easy, water vapor. Okay. All right, 18, moving along. water can be in the air in 3 different forms, okay? These are the words we're looking for, all right? Solid, start a new text box, liquid, and water vapor, gas, okay? Water vapor is a gas. Okay, so there we go. Line those all up. Alrighty, moving along. Okay, raindrops have a perfectly round shape. Round. Okay, very good. Number 20. Snowflakes form. Let's see, I don't know if you guys can see this, so I will go ahead and hopefully move it up. I don't know if it will lose all of our, oh darn. So let's see, we only have 2 left. I'm gonna just write the answers on the side here. So 20, snowflakes form, you should have the paper in front of you anyways, right? So 20, snowflakes form when the molecules of water vapor begin to blank or freeze, and this is crystallize. Okay, spell that correctly. Number 21, every snowflake has 6 sides. Boom, done. All right, we're gonna move on. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and save this one. And then we will go to look at number 2, page 2 on this one. So delete copy. Alrighty, my computer is doing its work. Alrighty, I'm going to make it a little bigger for us to see. All right, now time to share. Alrighty, sorry for the little break. Okay, number 22, it says, okay, you guys can still hear me, right? It said something about my Zoom audio. Anyways, we'll continue. Here we have list 4 forms of precipitation. Draw a line from each form to its correct definition. So when it asks you to do that, you list it first. So write those 4 down and then draw the line. So your lines will look different on the test than anyone else's. Well, possibly because you will write your list in a different order. So don't worry about that. Just do the list first and then draw the line. Okay, so the 4 forms of precipitation, we'll start with the one that we like to go see, but we don't get a lot of in Morgan Hill. So snow. Okay, the next one is one we don't see almost ever in Morgan Hill, ever, is sleet. That means rain that's falling through freezing water and it comes down as like frozen rain, okay? The next one is hail. Whoops. Ahi, that's like something on your sushi. Okay, not the same thing. Hail are frozen balls of ice that come down and can really damage like cars, give you a bruise. I don't know. Okay, D, the last one that we know a lot better is rain. Okay, now let's go ahead and connect these lines. We'll still use the purple. So snow would be frozen molecules of water vapor with 6 sides, just like we answered on number 21. Sleet would be rain that has fallen through freezing air. Sorry, I'm going to do that a lot straighter. Here we go. We'll use this. Hail is frozen balls of rain. There we go. And rain is perfectly round drops of falling water. So we have sticky, humid dust particles that are not going to be matched with anything. You can cross it out or you can leave it, up to you. On the test, you may find some definitions that don't match with anything. Okay, so know your definition so you know what is the correct one and what is the one that won't be used. All right, define humid. We talked about this yesterday on your CC. To be full of water vapor, and I will definitely correct the placement on the line here. Okay, lightning. You guys all know what lightning is, but how do we define it? It's a little bit long, so it's electricity that jumps from cloud to cloud. Let me fix this. From cloud to cloud or cloud to earth. Okay? Or you can say to the earth. I just shortened it so you have less to write, as long as you know what it is, okay? The sound that lightning makes is, a few seconds after, is called thunder. Okay, that is actually what scares most people and pets. Okay, the safest places to be in a thunderstorm are in a car or building. Okay, you don't want to just be standing in the middle of the field or on top of your roof. Okay, you want to be protected. Okay, moving on. 27. A tornado is often called a twister. Okay, because it's always, the air is always going round and round and round. Okay, list 3 common storms. 3 most common storms on 28. So list it first and then draw the line. So draw a line from each storm to its correct definition. So we have the 3 most famous ones that we're going to talk about here are thunderstorms, so long, thunderstorms, okay, hurricanes, sorry, you don't have to add the S there, hurricane, thunderstorm, oh my goodness, okay, there we go. Well, it's going to say thunderstorms, I think. Oh, my goodness. Boom, there we go. Last one, sorry about that, is tornado. Remember, tornado is the official word we're going to use, even if you know that twister is, you know, pretty much the same thing. Okay, now we draw the lines. I'm going to stop trying to make that nice. So, okay, a thunderstorm is a rainstorm that includes lightning. We're almost done. Okay, draw a straight line. Don't take me on a maze. Or take yourself on a maze, that's worse. Hurricane is a whirling windstorm that begins over the ocean, and a tornado is a windstorm that builds up over hot land. So once you see the word ocean and windstorm, it's a hurricane, okay? Once you see one that says hot land, that is going to be your tornado. Okay, all right, last little bit here is putting our water cycle into order. So it says number in order. You will have to do this on the test. Number in order the statements about the water cycle. Then number the water cycle picture below to match the statements. Make sure you do every part of the instructions that it tells you to do. That is good practice for life, and it will give you a better grade on your test if you fill in everything you're supposed to. So let's go ahead and start. So which one is the first one here? Let's see. What do you guys think? Sorry, I'm getting distracted a little bit here. The sun. The sun is where it all begins. So the sun heats the water in the ocean. Very good. Number 2, the water in the ocean, since it gets hot, it turns into a gas and it evaporates. Number 3, then because it's in the air and a gas, it rises because it's moist and it is hot, okay? And warm, hot air or warm air rises. Number 4, then when it gets high enough, it will cool and then it will form a cloud. Next, we have 2 left. The next one is the cloud will cool, causing rain to fall because all the water vapor will collect together and then get heavy enough as liquid drops and ta-da, rain. The last one is the rain falls on the earth and the water cycle starts again. Okay, so let's label our photo, shall we? So we have number 1 on the sun. Okay, Number 2, the ocean water changes. Number 3, it rises. Number 4, it cloudifies. I just made that up. It turns into a cloud. And then the cloud gets heavy. Look at this arrow. And then rain falls. And then 6, it comes down and gathers and it starts all over again. Alrighty? So I hope this helped. I wish you the very best on your test. It's going to be so good. This is our last science test. Okay? So do your best. Finish strong. Okay, you guys? I believe in you. You're doing a great job. Alrighty. I will see you soon. Bye.